Hi, we all know someone who's been affected by cancer. In Australian cities, we have access to world-class cancer facilities. However, people in developing countries and rural areas don't have the same access to these facilities. My goal is to ensure that no matter where you're from, you have access to world-class cancer care. Now, there are many different ways to treat cancer. However, around half of people who get cancer will require radiotherapy. So with radiotherapy, you have a radiation source that is targeted towards the tumor. Now, the idea is the radiation will kill the tumor cells. However, the radiation beam will irradiate all tissue in its path, including healthy tissue. So we need a way to make sure that we're only killing the tumor cells and not the healthy tissue. So to demonstrate this, I will need a volunteer, which here is our lovely volunteer here. So she will play the part of the patient. The patient remains still, and we have our radiation source that rotates around the patient. It might radiate from this angle, and from this angle, and from this angle, and the angles are calculated so that where they intersect is the tumor. This makes sure that we are concentrating the radiation in the tumor, leaving minimal radiation in the healthy tissue. So this works rather well at killing tumors. However, it's expensive to set up. This means that people in developing countries and rural areas are not able to access these facilities as easy, meaning millions of people around the world are not getting adequate cancer care. At the ImageX Institute at the University of Sydney, we are developing cheaper radiotherapy technology. And the way we do this, I'll get our lovely volunteer to demonstrate again. Instead of having our patient remaining still and our radiation source rotating around the patient, we fix our radiation source and we rotate the patient. Now, this might sound silly or fun, but from an engineering perspective, it's actually easier to rotate the patient than to rotate the radiation source. And this is because the radiation source weighs several tons and it needs to be positioned very precisely so that we're still targeting the tumor and not the healthy tissue. However, if you've gone on a roller coaster immediately after eating lunch, you will know that if you're moving someone around, their inner organs are going to move around as well. That's where my research comes in. My research is on, as the patients are being treated and they are rotating around and their organs are moving, I'll be predicting how their organs are going to move so that we can ensure that the radiotherapy, the radiation source keeps targeting that tumor and not the healthy tissue. My research will lead to cheaper radiotherapy services, ensuring that no matter where you're from, you have access to high quality cancer treatment. Thank you.